seem to be competing for sycophancy. Days after Telangana Chief Minister referred to Sonia Gandhi as deity and credited her for the Christmas celebrations in Telangana, and D.K. Shivakumar claimed Delhi's blessings were needed for a good future in the party. Now another leader has outdone them. Senior Congress leader from Maharashtra, Nana Patole, is accused of comparing Rahul Gandhi to Lord Ram. When asked about why Rahul Gandhi had not visited the Ram temple in Ayodhya so far, Nana Patole said Rahul Gandhi is doing something far better than these photo ops. He is doing the work of Lord Ram by ensuring justice for the deprived. Listen in.
देखो, भगवान श्री राम का काम हमारे नेता राहुल जी कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि भगवान श्री राम का काम ही था शोषित, वंचित, पीड़ित लोगों को न्याय दिलाने का। और पूरे देश में घूमकर हमारे नेता वही काम जो भगवान श्री राम का था वही कर रहे हैं। मंदिर में जाके फोटो सेशन करने से ज्यादा शोषित पीड़ितों की सेवा करना, ये राहुल जी को ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है, जो भगवान श्री राम का काम था। कि राजू जी नहीं, खुद रामलला का जो बंद किया हुआ ताला था वो खुलने का काम सिर्फ राजू जी ने किया था।
Now this comes after Congress leaders also recently gave the title of Jananayak to Rahul Gandhi. Ahead of elections in Bihar, Congress had claimed Rahul Gandhi's stature is beyond comparison and insisted that he is the true Jananayak. Here is the Congress party's race to praise the Gandhis.
को हम अडॉप्ट कर लेंगे, ये रेयर मॉडल लेकर देश में हम आगे जाएंगे। फाइनली ये लेटर, दिस इज फॉर मी lifetime achievement. This is for me Oscar award. This is for me Nobel Prize. श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी जी मुझे अप्रिशिएट करते हुए एक खत लिखा है। फॉर मी लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट, क्योंकि बहुत सारे काम कर सकता हूं, वेलफेयर कर सकता हूं, डेवलपमेंट कर सकता हूं और दूसरे कुर्सी में बैठ सकता हूं, मगर सोनिया जी अप्रिशिएशन जो लेटर खत लिखा मेरा नाम पे, सोनिया जी खुद दस्तखत कर देंगे। फॉर मी दिस इज लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट। थैंक यू।
जननायक जनता ने यह पदवी दिया है, जननायक का पदवी। तो जब कोई पदवी जनता देती है तो उसे कौन चुरा सकता है? प्रधानमंत्री के लाख प्रयास के बावजूद वो चोरी नहीं हो सकता, इसलिए कि राहुल गांधी जनता के दिलों पे राज करते हैं। हमें यह लगता है कि कर्पूरी ठाकुर तो हैं, बिहार के लिए कर्पूरी ठाकुर जननायक हैं, राहुल जी पूरे देश के लिए जननायक हैं।
After Congress leader Nana Patole claimed Rahul Gandhi was doing Bhagwan Ram's work, BJP has slammed Congress party for insulting Hindu sentiments.
Once again, Congress party has shown sycophancy pro max. Congress party says that Rahul Gandhi is like Prabhu Shri Ram. Just recently they said Sonia Gandhi was the reason why Christmas can be celebrated. What kind of sycophancy? And then you are insulting Hindu Astha. This is the same Congress party which says Ram is Kalpanik. This is the same Congress party which says Ram Mandir should not be built. This is the same Congress party which says Ram Mandir Pran Pratishtha is Naach Gana. This is the same Rahul Gandhi who says Mandir jaane wale ladki chedte hain. They say Hindu terror. Just now TMC has said Ramji was Muslim. They keep attacking Hindu Astha. Hindu Astha ka apman has become Congress's pehchan.
And it's not just the Bharatiya Janata Party. Even allies of the Congress have called out the leaders for taking it too far with such comparisons.
All rubbish. They had not. One of these leaders also sometimes talks like fools. What is the point of comparing with that? It's totally foolishness to talk like that, and not an unbecoming of a leaders of a national party.
अब नाना पटोले क्या कहना चाहते हैं? भारतीय समाज में भगवान राम की अपनी स्थान है और उसको इस तरह से किसी आम इंसान से तुलना नहीं करनी चाहिए। हो सकता है नाना पटोले को लगता है कि राम राज्य में जो चीज़ें होती थीं उन चीज़ों को करने की कोशिश राहुल गांधी कर रहे हों। तो काम को तो आप कह सकते हैं कि राम राज्य के इन कामों को हम करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं या करना चाहते हैं, लेकिन सीधे भगवान राम से तुलना नहीं करनी चाहिए।
Let's open this up. Let's go across to our guests. We have Gopal Krishna Agarwal, national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, and Dr. Akashdeep Muni, political analyst, joining us. Good evening to both of you. Dr. Muni, allies are saying this is foolishness.
Swati ji, first I wish you and all your viewers a very happy new year. Coming back to the topic at hand. In reality, Psychophancy Pro Max Square was when Avadut Wagh, the BJP spokesperson, described Modi ji as the 11th avatar of Lord Vishnu. When Suresh Bharadwaj, Himachal Pradesh Urban Development Minister, called Modi ji as reincarnation of Lord Shiva. Hope today the BJP spokesperson will tell us Modi ji is an avatar of Lord Vishnu or Lord Mahadev. Even Upendra Tiwari, the UP Panchayati Raj minister, hailed Modi ji as an incarnation of Bhagwan. Going a step ahead, Gulab Devi, Uttar Pradesh Minister of State for Cooperative Societies, referred Modi ji as avatar. And hear this, Tamil Sai Soundararajan, BJP leader from Telangana and the previous governor, said Modi ji is the king of gods. So Psychophancy Pro Max is this. Talking about Rahul Gandhi, his followers see him the same ideal that Lord Ram stood by. And that can be with you or me also. We cannot stand by Lord Ram's ideals.
Dr. Muni,
Like
what the
sharing
BJP leaders
idols
have
and
said
community.
that Mr. Agarwal will respond to. But Nana Patole says Rahul Gandhi does not want to indulge in photo ops by going to temples. He is doing Ram ka kaam. But just before elections, there's temple hopping. And there are a lot of temple visits that happen in 2025 itself. So what was Rahul Gandhi doing? He was doing photo ops then, or was he doing Bhagwan ka kaam? What was he doing?
Many times Congress leaders, including Rahul Gandhi, go to temples. The media does not follow them every time. I myself go to temple every Saturday, but it doesn't matter.
But the
It's
opposition,
about
especially the Congress, makes it a big deal about the Prime Minister visiting temples, taking pot shots at him, saying कि प्रधानमंत्री तो मंदिर ही मंदिर घूमते रहते हैं. Then why do you downplay Rahul Gandhi going to the temple and say कि वो photo op नहीं कराना चाहते?
I'll let you know. The point is that does Honorable Prime Minister stand by the ideals of Lord Ram? Rahul Gandhi stands by it. He shares
And that's the
with
reason
tribal
why
and
he
Dalit
didn't go.
communities.
That's the reason why neither did he nor his party chief. Nobody went for the Pran Pratishtha. Let Mr. Agarwal come in.
A political act or an act of devotion.
Let Mr. Agarwal come in now. It's personal when the Congress party does it, but when the Prime Minister or the BJP do it, then that certainly is a dikhawa or for votes. Let me bring in Mr. Agarwal. Mr. Agarwal, if it is about psychophancy, then there are a lot of such statements given by BJP leaders as well. So on what basis are you criticizing Nana Patole today or Rahul Gandhi?
No, it is not only that what Mr. Patole said about Rahul Gandhi, comparing him to Lord Ram. There are other issues when he talks about Lord Ram, he is not even visiting the Ram temple. The Congress had said that the Ram was not a historical figure, he was an imaginary figure. The issue about Ram temple, they never supported the construction of Ram temple. So the hypocrisy is that at one point of time, they want to say, for the vote bank politics, they want to say and hop to the temples before the elections and say Rahul Gandhi says, I am a Shiv Bhakt, I wear Janev myself. And then when the issue comes about their construction of temple or following the ideals of Lord Ram or appeasement politics, which they do for the minorities, we remember how Shah Bano case was done by the Congress party. The psychophancy is about the hypocrisy which Congress does for vote bank politics. That is important. We want to underline this. That you are for the vote bank politics at times when you find it lucrative to go with the larger population, majority Hindus, you go for that, and at time when you are trying to build a vote bank of minorities, you go for appeasement.
So you're saying this is
about communal
politics of convenience.
That BJP is doing.
Okay, politics of convenience. Dr. Muni, please respond to that, from denying the existence of Lord Ram to doing Ram ka kaam.
Swati ji, standing by the ideals can be done by you, me, or Agarwal ji also. But the point is that these people go a step further and say that Modi ji is the avatar of Lord Ram and Mahadev.
We have built a temple.
I ask Mr. Agarwal, that is Modi ji avatar of Lord Ram
Sonia
or
Gandhi
Lord
was also
Mahadev?
called a deity by the Telangana Chief Minister. If it is statement versus statement, then there will be a lot of statements from both sides.
See,
But But after
You are
denying
only giving
existence of
statement
Lord
and
Ram
not following his ideals and
then withdrawing that affidavit to today,
denigrating him.
to today saying Rahul is doing Ram ka kaam, from that affidavit, that blunder which happened in 2007, of course it was withdrawn, to today, what is the compulsion behind making such statements? Just stay completely aloof.
When advocacy for justice during Bharat Jodo Yatra for the oppressed was compared to Maryada Purushottam,
So why
Lord Ram,
Shah Banu was not given her
it is
due
not-
justice?
Ideals anybody can stand by the ideals.
Is Shah Banu justice not your ideal?
Then why mock those?
Mr. Walwal, let's
Then
not
why
speak for
mock
each other.
those? Then why mock those who openly flaunt their faith and their beliefs? And it has happened multiple
Why
times
he has not
with
gone to
Congress
the
party
temple?
leaders.
No, Mr. Agarwal, you, first of all, let's not speak over each other. Second point, I hope today you will clarify that Mr. Wagh is right or Mr. Bharadwaj is right. Both are from BJP. That one is saying Modi ji is the 11th avatar of Lord Vishnu. Second was saying that Modi ji incarnation of Lord Shiva. Tell the nation, either they lied or because Modi ji himself has said that he is a human. So are these people lying to the nation? And you people are lying to the nation. Tell the
And
nation.
you're buying everything that these leaders are saying. You're buying everything. The Prime Minister says he's human, he makes mistakes. And those who are making such statements, the Congress party is believing them. So if you're believing them, you believe Nana Patole as well. Rahul Gandhi is Lord Ram and Sonia
Again,
Gandhi
Nana Patole,
Sonia Gandhi
Smriti-
is a deity. And all these statements come in. The allegation is when elections are nearing, achanak आप भगवान बन जाते हैं.
Swati, we have to also understand that it is not one statement that matters. It is other actions also have to be compared with what the statement is being done. If Rahul Gandhi believes in the ideals of Lord Rama, we welcome him. If Congress says or Mamata Banerjee says or any other party says that we would build a temple for the Lord Ram, we welcome it. But if you only do it for vote bank politics, not for commitment,
Okay,
that is
now take a response.
I will respond.
Take a rebuttal on that. This is nothing but
I'll
vote bank
respond.
I'll
politics.
respond.
Okay, rebuttal please. Yes.
अगर राम का काम आप लोग करते तो तमिलनाडु में एक बंदे को मां पीट पीट के लिंच नहीं कर देते आप लोग। आपके आरएसएस के 4 लोगों ने एक बंदे को पीट पीट के मार दिया ये बोल के तू बांग्लादेशी है और वो देश भर में ये काम कर रहे हैं। ये राम जी
कहाँ की बात आप कर रहे हैं? It is issue is whether you believe in Ram's ideal or not. If you believe in Ram's ideal,
अग्रवाल जी,
why? If you believe in Ram's ideal or not, that is the
Okay,
question.
so Mr. Muni, अगर राम का काम आप लोग कर रहे हैं, अचानक से आपको याद आ गया है, तो आप लोग क्यों इम्पीचमेंट मोशन पर साइन कर देते हैं एक जज के खिलाफ when the judge gives judgment in favor of a particular community saying that the Deepam can be lighted? आपको उसके intentions पर डाउट हो जाता है.
See, Deepam
राम
debate,
मंदिर में क्यों नहीं गए आप दर्शन?
having another debate, Deepam debate. But Agarwal ji, tell me that why अगर लॉर्ड राम
में इतना विश्वास है तो मंदिर से दूरी क्यों?
आप
तो मंदिर से दूरी क्यों? बाकी हर मंदिर राहुल गांधी 2025 में गए, आकाशदीप मुनि, हर मंदिर गए हैं वो 2025 में, लेकिन राम मंदिर से दूरी अभी भी बनाए हुए, उस पर कोई जवाब नहीं आ रहा है. बट आई एम कंप्लीटली आउट ऑफ टाइम. जेंटलमैन, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस.